Yes, I do. So it's my first night in Toronto, and we're having Vietnamese. We just stopped in this casual Vietnamese restaurant, and so of course, you know, I never shy away from tea. So the first thing we got while we're trying to put our order is tea. This young lady says the food is good. I hope so. You're not hoping. You told me it's good. I know it's good, but you know, different places are okay. Well, we see, and I've never had Vietnamese, which is weird. Okay, so we'll have some spring rolls. I thought it was soy sauce. Food video. Let me see if I can wrangle my chopsticks. Oh my god, I don't know how to hold chopsticks. So let's try again. I am gonna starve. Okay, I got one. Okay, let me see if I can get from my chopstick to my mouth. Ah, it's gonna fall! It's about to fall! I don't remember what I ordered, but this is it. The portions are so huge. I don't know how I'm going to finish this and finish this using a chopstick that I can't pick up. This is me struggling with my chops. Wow. Really, girl? I need to go to chopstick class. Here we go. I think I got it now. Oh no, more food. I should let you know. You write down this one here. More food. We made a mistake. Yeah, I will put this one chicken small. Yeah, that's mine. That's a small soup. Wow. This one, the red beef noodle soup. Oh my goodness. I don't know what we ordered, but this is a lot of food. These soups are huge. And then there's that. But these rolls are so good. I'm ODing on this. Then I'm going to my noodles. Oh, so good. So I'm giving this restaurant high marks because the soup was hot, the tea was hot. That's very important to me. The food was amazingly delicious. We could not finish it. We took most of it home, but we thoroughly enjoyed this place.